changing out the center console on this, basically because the shit, it closes. I thought that was just gonna be a whole fucking flea chip, but it's supposed to stay up like this one, so it's supposed to have a lock position. So yeah, placing that because this just closes like that. But I just wanted to show y'all. Pretty much, you just get you a plastic trim tool, and then you just pry up evenly. Go all the way around. Go underneath here. Just pry up real evenly. Be gentle, and pop that off. Then you want to take this out. That goes in here. There's 2 screws. Take those 2 screws out. Screw right here. Screw right here. Screw right here. And then, yeah. Take all that out. Pop this out a little bit. You don't gotta take it completely out, but just pop it out enough. And then you should be able to pop this out. I think there's another thing I'm missing. Once I figure that out, I'll continue the video. But so far, we just about there from getting a new piece in there. All right, so basically, so just picture this back in place. Lift this part up and just kind of pull out at an angle and disconnect all the connectors. Make sure y'all pay attention to the connectors, because these two like pretty much are the same. These two are pretty much the same connectors, so just make sure you put them in the same spot. I'm sure they don't matter, but just do, you know. We got a few more connectors underneath here too as well. So yeah, disconnect that, and then with this piece right here, let's just say it's in there, right? What I did was I just put my hand on the back of this and popped it out. Super easy. What I think though, what I gotta do is I think I still gotta transfer this part right here. Transfer this part over to that one because it's already in place. You can tell, but I just gotta transfer the ports over, basically the housing, and then yeah. So it should be coming out pretty easy. I'm still trying to figure out if we're caught on anything else. Looks like we got a few more under there connectors. So all right, so we got it out. So this piece right here, all I did was got me a pick tool and I pried it right here, just up, and the shit just falls right through. It goes right through, so you don't gotta disconnect this at all. It'll fall right through. So yeah, pry it up right here and just trying to finagle it right through there. It's like I said, it'll finesse right through. You don't gotta disconnect it. And from there, I just gotta transfer this over here onto the new one. And yeah, once I get everything back together, I'll show y'all the finished product. All right, so we got this out. I got the pick tool. Took me a little bit to kind of like to take it out, but I'll show y'all. So basically, this is the new one. I basically did on the old one was just bend this tab all the way back because it's still brand new. So I just bent it all the way back on like all these tabs right here on both sides, and you pop it out from the bottom, or you push down from the bottom. But pretty much, like I said, I bent the tabs back, and as I bent all the tabs back and shit, I was pushing down on this actual, I was pushing down on this actual piece. So as I bent the tabs down, it popped up. So hopefully I explained that good enough for y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all an easy way for all my VW techs. I ain't supposed to show y'all this, but instead of popping this shit out of the casing on a new one, just pop this out, because it's already on this one. Pop this out of the new one and just slide this bitch right in there. Boom. That's all you gotta do. Make the job go a little quicker. So thank me later for that. Just double check, make sure everything works. Light up. Test this charger. It should work. It lights up. So double check that, make sure that works. And yeah, now we just put the screws in and clip the sides in and we're good. All right, so this is how everything looks with the new console. That piece is working fine, as it should. Remember to double check, make sure everything in the ports work and the freehand charge, whatever you want to call that. And for my VW guys, if y'all don't know what to do with this piece, bro, I'm gonna give y'all a couple seconds to think on it, but make sure y'all put this back on the old part. You know? But if you ain't know that, you ain't been doing this flat rate shit for a little while. But now I'm messing with y'all. It's been a little while. I mean, I haven't been flat rate for that long. It's probably about, I don't know. But, you know, whatever. You should know what to do with this, you know. Gotta make it, gotta look like you did something, you know. But yeah, make sure y'all give me a shout out. You know, I guess I can call it 101 warranty tips with Twizzy or whatever. But yeah, brand new 2024 Atlas. It got 5K on it. So, yep, that's what it is. I'm about to go program this key and get this thing out of here. Bro, this Celtic green go crazy, bro. This shit remind me of TD Garden. This shit fire.